Welcome to this episode of Click to Deploy, a series where we show you how easy it is to deploy solutions from Google Cloud Marketplace. In this episode, we'll be reviewing how to set up a Confluent Cloud cluster via the Google Cloud Marketplace. Confluent is pioneering a fundamentally new category of data infrastructure focused on data in motion. Its cloud-native offering is the foundational platform for data in motion, which is designed to be the intelligent connective tissue to enable real-time data from multiple sources, allowing it to constantly stream across the organization. And in fact, Confluent founders are the original creators of Apache Kafka, and are helping organizations set their data in motion even faster with their fully managed service for Apache Kafka. Now let's explore how to set up a Confluent Cloud cluster. Let's start by searching for Confluent Cloud in the Google Cloud Marketplace. For this demo, we'll choose the solution Apache Kafka on Confluent Cloud. The landing page will display information about the solution, details about pricing, and support. The pricing information displays a high-level estimate of charges. Pricing for this solution is based on your subscription plan. Let's click the subscribe button to launch this solution. Start first by choosing a billing account and agreeing to the terms below, which are the terms about subscription fee billed monthly and canceling the service. You'll also notice the pricing calculator, which can help you see estimated costs based on factors like time frame and subscription plan. Once your purchase has been accepted, you will see another page which requires you to register with Confluent Cloud. You'll be able to manage Apache Kafka on Confluent Cloud. Make sure to sign in or log in with your Confluent account. On Confluent Cloud, we will set up a cluster. For the purpose of this demo, I will create a basic cluster. Choose a region. We'll choose US4, Las Vegas. Choose an availability. We'll choose single zone. Now we'll launch our cluster. Next, let's test our cluster using Confluent CLI on the Google Cloud Shell. There you have it, Apache Kafka on Confluent Cloud with a click of a button. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the like button below. We encourage you to check out the GCP Marketplace and deploy the solution on your own. Thanks for watching.